Ooh, buddy, the trap is real. The trap. It's either gonna roll or it's gonna pop. Eat NASDAQ. Wowzer. There's the pullback we were looking for. Right off the V1. NASDAQ. Can't stop. Won't stop, they said. Right off the V1. NASDAQ. Can't stop. Won't stop, they said. Yeah, it's straight down right now. Not today, buddy. Not today. If you guys haven't hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. Hit that, blow it up. Blow it up. Blow it up. Blow it up.
Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. Oh my, pump it. Oh my baby Jesus. What the fuck? I'm up over $20,000 on the day, boys and girls. And I don't even want to talk about how much I could have made. I would have probably made like, I don't know. Oh God. I took profit way too early, like always. Yes, Carl Johnson, I've already made $21,000 here today, boys and girls. $21,000. Oh God. Check this out. Here you got $12,000 in this account. And here, look at this though. Look, this is the best part. $12,000, but look at this. Oh, that hurts. Look where I took profit at on this. I was long 15 contracts from the 70s. Took profit at the 99s. LOL. LOL. Oh, that's rough. But hey, $12,000 in one account. And then I locked in profit in this account. This is Express Fund account. I was actually long. You can see my long here from the overnight. I was actually long right there from the 807s last night here. Bought this pullback here last night at like 7 o'clock or so. And was looking for a move up from this 807 level, and look where it went. I took profit there at the 17s. You gotta love it. You gotta fucking love it, boys and girls. Absolutely insane move. So long from the 807s for over a 100-point move. It went all the way to the fucking 70s. What in the absolute fuck? Absolutely insane. So, yeah. Still nothing to be mad about. Making easy money this morning. We'll see what happens once the market actually opens up today. Absolutely insane move, though. Oh, God. All right. Right now, we had that breakout, the Patrick Wieland indicator, giving us the breakout set up there after the numbers came out from the 83s all the way up there to the fucking 60, 70 level. We had that huge move down. Remember? That huge move down. Look at the dollar getting absolutely murdered. The dollar got murdered. And, well, NASDAQ went to the moon. NASDAQ went to the moon there, so we'll see what happens here once the actual market opens up. Right now, just going to be patient, protect my profits, not give back any profits. That's my goal today, not give back any profits. You guys know I love giving back profits, so I would like to avoid giving back any profits today, to be honest. I would like to make sure that doesn't happen here today. So, right now, looking at the Lux Algo, I'll kind of show you guys why I was bullish on this move up for the GDP news. Pretty much, look at the big drop. I think this big drop down yesterday was pretty much just a lot of people just fear, sell, sell, sell. And really this idea of just, we got to get back up into this. Very similar to the other day. You know, very similar to the other day when we had that sell-off overnight with the London sell-off, and then we went to the moon at open. We had all of this just, it wasn't a lot of volume either. A lot of this move down the end of day yesterday, there wasn't a ton of volume, to be honest. So I was expecting kind of a push back up. I was pretty sure that the market would be bullish here for the GDP news as well. I didn't think we were gonna go fucking straight down here today. It's still, you know, still Santa Claus rally. No reason to be ultra bearish here today. So happy with that. Nice and easy, locking in profits. And am I done for the day or am I going to give it back? You never know, Carl. Might just give it all back. Fuck it. YOLO. Oh, God. I only need to make $10,000 more than a back greed of the month. Come on, it's worth it. If I make $10,000 more today, I fucking be up 30 grand on the day. You and Tanja trades are so different. Yeah, she's a girl. I'm a guy. We're very different. Very fucking different. Not the same. We are not the same. Diego, can you come over and watch me trade? I don't know. Can you? Sounds a little scary. Will you murder me? Will you promise to not murder me? I want to talk. Oh my God. This setup right here, the problem was I was really confident that we would get above the 900 level here. I was long from the 73s, took profit there. And I really don't want to run the math on it, but I want to see how much. Let's say I would have waited for 920s. Another 20 points there. That would have only been another $6,000. But if we went, let's say we got to the 50s. Let's just say 50. That would have been 15,000. So instead of being up another 15,000, well, I'm there right now. But right now, up $12,000. So Trader D rips shows his trades. Cool fucking story. I give a fuck. Who the fuck's Rips? Never heard of him. Don't give a fuck. So on the day right now, 0 losers, $12,000 in profit. And that's how we like to do it right there. Right there, right there, right there. Right there, right there. Right now, pull it back here. Obviously expecting a pull back after that huge rip to the upside. And we'll see what happens. This is a funded account. Patrick, you should trade crude oil. Why? Everybody always got something. Patrick, do this. Patrick, do that. Patrick. Right now, the ES pushing back up here to that 90 level, that 47.90 area, which is, what is that? That's the previous week high. We got that big 15-minute imbalance there as well. So this is kind of a pullback spot. Guys, I thought you were taking a few days off. Guys, why? Why? Just be happy I'm here. God. Patrick, I thought you were going to take a break. Patrick, I thought you were going to trade. Patrick. I lied. I fucking lied. I'm back. God. I'm back, baby. You can't stop me. You can't keep me down. I'm back. I want more. God. Honestly, I'm not fishing today. I was planning on fishing all week, but the weather's been really shitty yesterday and today. So I'm not fishing today. So I might as well go live on YouTube. You know? Relax. Everybody always got something to say. So right now, the ES pulling back here. This is the 3-minute chart. We had the breakout. What's amazing is we did get that beautiful breakout there. We were above the VWAP. We got the breakout there on the ES. Both the ES and the NASDAQ. Right now, we're looking at the ES on the 3-minute chart. I'm trying to make this a little bit easier. I always talk about the ES, but I don't really show the chart. So I'm trying to show the chart more often here. And you can see that breakout here on the ES through the 78s all the way up there to the fucking 94s. The NASDAQ straight to the moon once again, back to the 50s here. She's going. Look at that push once again here. Insane move on the NASDAQ here today. Both the NASDAQ and the ES just absolutely going crazy. We bounced right off that pivot point. I mean, not the pivot point. We bounced right off that 14 EMA right there, by the way. So 31, 14 EMA area. We just bounced off that. We'll see how she plays out here today. NASDAQ, a little bit of a pullback here into the 40s for now. And we'll see. I kind of want to wait. Wait for the market open here today. Get some actual volume on this thing. I think should be a fun day of trading either way. Be a fun day of action. Action. Old background was wow. Well, new background is, ew, is he like in a doctor's office? Where is he? What is going on with his background? It's just brown. Oh, God. So unprofessional looking. I don't know. I didn't really like the old background because I felt like I was just looking like some of the other idiots on YouTube that have like colorful lights and like stupid shit behind them. So that's not me, baby. I'm Patrick Wieland, #1 day trader on YouTube. I don't need those stupid lights to look good. Some of these other YouTubers look like they're trading like they're fucking Twitch streamers. Yeah, and I'm talking about all of them. All of them be looking like that. Is it a possibility that the bear market never even started and this was just a pullback of the larger run of 14 plus years and the bear market will start in 2024? Nope. No possibility. No possibility. I don't know. Honestly, I don't really know. Maybe it's maybe the market's gonna go to zero. I don't fucking know. I just trade, man. I think the biggest problem for most people is trying to figure out what's gonna happen. You know, just don't do it. Don't try to figure out what's gonna happen. Just only figure out what is happening. See, that's my You know, that's my my little tidbit of information for you today. My little tidbit of information. That was funny. Little tidbit. Did I hear what ICT had to say about me? I don't fucking care. I mean, the dude is a psychopath. Have you ever listened to his live streams just rambling on about the most insane shit? He told us that the world's going to end. He told us to prepare for the world ending. I mean, literally, ICT is a walking, talking contradiction. The guy literally every day makes a new fucking contradiction. He told us a month ago that he was done trading, and then yesterday on fucking YouTube, he's trading. It's like, what's the story, bro? Did you stop trading for the year? Are you still trading? Like, do you only tell us when you're trading because, like, when you're in the profits? Like, the fuck? Every day it's some new story. Well, I don't trade December because the market sucks. And then all of December he's trading. Like, you guys are eating it up as well. All of his little followers are just like, IGT, we love you. Please don't stop trading. Please, just keep trading. Please. God, when I come back, everyone's like, Patrick, why are you still here? I thought you said you're going to stop trading this year. When ICT comes back, they're all like, oh my God, we love you, Master. Master, thank you for coming back and saving us. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Master. You're back. Master, we love you so much. But honestly, have you got, I mean, ICT literally fucking went on a whole rant about how the world's going to end. Prepare for the world ending. He's also talking about he's going to win Grace Team Miami. Get the fuck out of here. Fuck you. All right, go fuck yourself. Tell me to grow up. ICT literally talked about the whole world ending, and then he's like, I'm also going to win. I'm going to win the Robin's Cup in 2024. But by the way, Jesus or the devil, Satan's coming to the earth in 2024. So I'm going to win the fucking Robin's Cup. I'm going to win the Robin's Cup, and then the world's going to end. So I'm going to prove that I'm the #1 day trader in the world, and then Satan's going to take over. I mean, like, word for word, he basically said that. I mean, maybe not word for word, but he basically said the world was going to end in 2024, but he's also going to win the Robin's Cup. Fucking mind-blowing. Like, if you knew the world was going to end, why the fuck do you care about the Robin's Cup? Why? You know, why? What are you going to do? All right, right now we're looking here, pull back. We pulled back into this 26 level. We got the VWAP all the way down there at the fucking 878. So obviously there's a big old gap. There's a big old gap from yesterday's close. So I'm a little hesitant. If you're just now tuning in, welcome to the fucking party. Right now on the day, we're up over $12,000. $12,000 make you holler. Well, I'm up over $21,000. So $12,000 here in this account. And I don't even want to talk about where I took profit at. Let's not even talk about it. I don't want to talk about it, actually. Nope, I'm not talking about it. Also took a trade here in my live funded account with Topstep, and then in the Express Fund account. Right now, holding up here at the 40s, kind of looking maybe a retest of those highs here. We kind of bull flag for a little bit. Right now, we did get the breakout there, the Patrick Wieland indicator, giving us the fucking go. Get long, go to the moon, take the money, honey. Right now, holding here at the 14 EMA. We got a fair value. We got a volume imbalance, obviously, after that big 15-minute candle up. So you're thinking like maybe pull back into the 900s here at open. VWAP down there at the 77s. That was a pretty big move. If you missed out on this move, not sure I want to be getting crazy here just yet. Yeah, ICT is fucking here to make money, baby. Jesus sent ICT to to the world to help us. Not only is he here to help us, but he also created the algorithm that runs the market. Who would have thought? The guy that fucking created the market, the guy that created the algorithm is also the guy that Jesus sent here to help us. It sounds too good to be true. Oh, God. It's too good to be true. All right. If you guys haven't hit that like button, subscribe button, it's fucking... I don't know, it's almost, it feels like it's Fresh Cash Friday right now. Fresh fucking Happy Day Friday. Not that I want to be overly happy here, but I ain't mad about it. It's nice to have a win every once in a while. You know, we've been down on our luck. A few, feels like a little bit right lately, but nice to be up today in the green, big on the day. If you guys have already hit that like button, help me out. Blow up that like button. It's free to like. And right now, just sit back in here. Sitting back here, waiting to see kind of what happens here, this 40 level. I really want to see that 40 level be respected. Turn that 40 area into support. And see what happens. Why are you not done for the day? Why would I be done for the day? If the market's going to be hot, let's fucking make some money. You know? If the market's going to be hot, let's make some fucking money. Don't want to walk away. If I'm up big on the day, just because the market hasn't even opened yet. You know, let's make some more money first. Oh, baby. I thought in your reflection video you said you're going to walk away when you're in the green. Well, I'm in the green. The market hasn't even opened, you know? So... nothing wrong with waiting to, let's give the market a little bit of opportunity here, you know, to pay us some more. If I was up $20,000 and it was 10:30 in the right now, if it was 10:30, it'd be different. Right now, it's not even 9:30. The nice thing about it is if I lose $20,000, I'll be able to make a video talking about it today. So it'll give me some content, you know? Just doing it for the YouTube, baby. Everybody loves to fucking see a comeback, you know? Everybody loves a comeback video. You know? Everyone loves a comeback video, baby. Patrick Wieland, comeback. Right now, we're looking at the 2-minute chart here on the NASDAQ. That 17,000 area, I don't know why that 17,000 area. When am I going to be back on Topstep TV? Probably never. Maybe, I don't know. It's just kind of, it's kind of a weird situation because obviously they go live at the same time I do. So, I don't know. If I go live on Topstep TV, that means I'm not live on my channel, and it's, you know, I don't know. Patrick Wieland live on Patrick Wieland channel, Patrick Wieland live on Topstep TV. Which one's better for Patrick Wieland? I don't know. I mean, I've got the bigger following, and I've been live on YouTube longer, you know. I think it's better for me to be live here. So, and I'm better trading alone as well. I don't like to talk to other people. There you go. See, yeah, if I lose money, I get to lose money. I mean, they have 300 more followers right now because I went on Topstep TV in the first place. All right, I got to stop going on there. I got to stay on this channel. We got to keep this channel growing. I can learn a lot from Hogue. I don't know. Can I? I don't think I can really learn a lot from anyone, to be honest. I don't know. Maybe that's just me being conceited or cocky, but I don't really think there's anyone out there that I can learn anything from. And yes, they're also giving out accounts. It helps the views. Hey, they're doing their thing. I'm doing my thing. Lambo Raoul, call him up. I want to fucking learn. The only EMA we have on the chart right now is the 14 EMA, this blue line right here. Holding up here at the 40s, kind of what I was thinking. We want to see this 40 area turn into support here. I think we at least kind of run these highs again. Tory Trades has been awfully quiet lately. Yeah, I guess her uncle stopped telling her when to buy and sell. Oh, that's funny. There's a conspiracy that Tory Trades' uncle's not real. That's the conspiracy. It's like there's so many conspiracies in the trading world. You know, everyone's got a different conspiracy theory. Who's who? What's what? Nobody knows. Cheryl, Patrick, people messaged me and thought I was you. You thought me was you? Or you was me? Or me was you? I mean, this is how Tory Trades would trade. You go to the 4-hour chart and you draw a trend line. And you wait for, I don't know, where do you draw the trend line here? There? Is that the, I don't even know how to draw a trend line on the 4-hour chart. Is it here or there? Which way is, oh, this way. Or this one? Okay, if it goes below this line, we go short. That's the Tory Trades trade. There we go. Your indicator has 50 trend lines. Well, thank you for noticing. I know we like to have as many trend lines as possible on the 2-minute chart. What's the indicator that I use for patterns? We use the Lux Algo price action concepts. Link down below. So on the day right now, we're up $12,000 in this account. I got long for the GDP numbers, took profit way too early. Obviously, story of my life, you know, that's how it goes. But up $12,000 in this account, up another $8,000 in $9,000 in the Topstep live funded account and all that fun stuff. I took a trade last night, was long from the 807s, got a big move up there. And well, we are looking to see what happens next here today. The NASDAQ right now pulling back here into open this 27 level. We got the VWAP down there at 79s. If we look at the 15-minute chart right now, look at a little top heavy up here. And then if we look at the hourly chart, look at a little top heavy as well. VWAP to the downside down there. About 884 level to the downside. We got this little fair value gap there on the hourly chart at the 908. So, you know, pretty much you want to see this stay above that 900 level here for possible move up. Now, obviously, we will be opening up with a bit of a gap here. We closed yesterday down there at the 769s. So I think, you know, anything is possible, but I do like the idea of trying to push back up here into 17,000s or so. We'll get excited either way. It's, we'll see how it plays out. Going to the Miami Dolphins Cowboys game on Christmas Eve, Sunday. Talking yesterday. What is my win rate on passing combines? Fucking 100%. Pass combine. I've passed more combines than any fucking person on this goddamn planet. All right? That's a fact. That's a stat. I've also probably blown up more express fund accounts than anybody else has played as well. But hey, yay! You know, you gotta be good with what you be good at something. I'm just gonna start passing people. I'm gonna start passing combines for people out there. $100 to pay me to pass a combine. I'm actually kidding. Do not report me to Topstep. I'm sorry. I'm being very sarcastic. I will not pass your combine for you. Okay. Sorry. I'm sorry. Danny Trades has Topstep record payouts. Danny Trades went all in on the CPI report and made 70 grand. Yes, that's what he did. That's how he got to where he got to. So if you want to call that being the #1 trader on YouTube, totally fine with me. I do not accept that. So he's also down since he's been in the live funded account. So, and that's not me talking shit. It's just the you know, they've talked about it on Topstep TV. Here we go. We got 14 minutes still. Fuck. If you guys haven't hit that like button, subscribe button, hit the like button and subscribe button. Like button, subscribe button. How's your trading doing at the moment, man? Well, today we're up $21,000, so I guess it's doing okay. We'll do okay today. Danny Trades is a paper king. Hey, I didn't say it. Somebody else said it. NQ in a squeeze. Nathan, are you long? I am not long. I am not short. I am just the right size. Right now, no position on right now. So waiting to see kind of what happens here. This 40 level, we get above this 40 level, be looking for a run. I think 17,000s is up there, and we'll see how she plays. See how she plays. When will you start your stand-up comedy show? I might have to start it next year because depending on how trading goes, I might just have to give up and, you know. Forgive me for asking, third time. I just logged in. I liked your dark theme earlier. What's wrong? What dark theme? What's the dark theme? What does that mean? Dark theme? Theme for dark? It's always dark. Oh, the background. Well, I apologize if you don't like my new background. I have something to tell you. If you don't like it, you can just go and fuck yourself, pretty much. So. There's a lot of volume down at like 890 area 880s. Not a lot of volume in this 900 to 920 area. So we could dip down here pretty quickly at open. We'll see how she plays. We got to fix something as well here. There's a light coming through. We got a light coming through. Can't be having that happening. There's a window over here and the light comes through sometimes. Oh! Oh, God! It's bright. So bright. So bright. Like a vampire. I woke up last night at like 2 o'clock in the fucking morning. Could not sleep. Was absolutely just exhausted, but still, I actually ended up trading the London session last night for about an hour. I got a video for you guys, post up later there. What's the big news with the change? Just kind of working on some new stuff. Who knows? 2024, big stuff coming. We'll see. Still 11 minutes here. 11 minutes till the party. See, I feel like if I play the music again, people are gonna like leave, but I'll play it for you guys.
The trap is
You
real.
keep asking.
The trap. Eat NASDAQ. Wowzer.
Okay, hear any more? Oh, I turned it off. Wrong one. It was on this one.
Ooh, buddy, the trap is
That
real.
was I thought it was playing. Oh, fuck. That was awkward. That was just me sitting there. That's funny. Do you call out your trades in here? Nope, we never call out trades. We're just here to talk, pretty much. We're just here to talk shit about other YouTubers. That's all we do. We don't actually trade. Double Eli, watch me trade live next month. Well, I'll help you out. Banned for life. He's gonna be mad. He's gonna be big mad now. Now he can't promote his YouTube anymore. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Well, I always have said, you know, if the trading stuff doesn't work out, I could always just be a stand-up comedian. Why would we watch you if you don't call out your trades? I don't know, Lenny. Why do you watch me? Why are you fucking here in the first place? Ask yourself that question. God. Why don't you use Bookmap anymore? I still use Bookmap. It's like 9 o'clock in the morning. Like, what are you guys doing? Like, what is, like, how fucking, like, you wake up in the morning, you're like, all right, it's early in the morning. I'm just waking up. My number one thing to do today, my list of, my to-do list is very simple. I'm going to wake up. I'm going to get on YouTube. I'm going to go on Patrick Wieland's live stream, and I'm going to ask him, why would I want to fucking follow you if you don't tell me when to buy and sell? That's my to-do list. Okay, check. Did that for the day. Literally. God. What does that even mean? Tanja calls out her trades on her new live stream. Hey, I don't really give a fuck. I don't know why people are so like, I literally say, hey, I think the market's going to go up. If it goes up, it goes up. And oh, Patrick, you never told us it was going to go up. Yesterday, I literally said, hey, I think the market's going to rip through the highs here. The market went through the highs. Everyone's like, but Patrick, you didn't tell us. You didn't tell us what to do. God. Right now, we're just sitting back here waiting and watching. Looking at the hourly chart, we've got this kind of 900 level possibility of kind of getting retested here, right? We got the VWAP down there. I don't hate this idea of pulling back into the VWAP. We've seen this before. You get these big moves up when the numbers come out, and the move, at open basically just pulls right back down to where that number came out. I don't know what's going to happen. Honestly, at this point, it's a coin toss. We're either going to pull back here at open or, well, we're going to push up. It's that simple. We'll see how she plays. The best part about it is we don't really need, we don't need to really be that worried about what happens. Does it go up? Does it go down? The dollar right now pulling back. That's good. We want the dollar to be pulling back. Dollar is at these lows down here still. The NASDAQ's sitting here at the 20s. I'd say if we get back above the 40s, well, then there's a really good chance that we test these highs again. Right now, we wait back. Lenny, well, I looked up live trading. You were one of the lives. And the first thing you said was, we don't call out our trades. Sometimes I tell you when I'm going to buy. Sometimes I don't. Sometimes I tell you where the market's going to go. Sometimes I don't. You just got to get me on the right day. So, VWAP down here at the 82s. If we get 500 likes here on the stream, we'll do the poll. Will I wait till the 40s to enter? I really, like I said, I don't have any game plan, to be honest. I just want to wait to see what happens because, again, we had this big move up, GDP numbers, big move up. I'm up $20,000 on the day, so it's like I don't really have any type of game plan other than the fact of if this starts to show strength and we push, then we look for a long. If we start to sell down, I probably won't get short. Maybe that's my game plan. My game plan is I would be looking for longs more than shorts, but obviously the VWAP is down there at the 82s now. So anything's possible. I just said I think that 900 level pulling back into these 15-minute fair value gap, that volume imbalance, it makes a lot of sense, Right now, it's kind of what we're doing. We had that bull flag kind of forming. We lost the low there at the 25s. And, well, we'll see how she plays. I mean, I'm a trader. I'm not investing here, right? I'm waiting for a setup. That's all we're going to do. That's what we're going to do. We're going to just sit back. We're going to be patient. And we're going to trade the best opportunities. Do I always trade on the 2-minute chart? I got multiple charts pulled up. I got the 15-minute chart. I got the hourly chart. I got the ES down there. We're looking at everything, people. I got lots of charts. Just because you only see one chart does not mean that's all I'm looking at. Right now, the ES, VWAP on the ES down there at the 74s. The ES also pulling back into this kind of breakout level, 77s. All right? So we will see what happens here. I think I don't know. We've seen this before. We've seen big moves up when numbers come out, and then we've just sold right off at open. So we'll see what happens. Right now, the poll, 60% up, 39% down. And we'll see how she goes. Right now, the ES pulling back here into the A78, 80 level. The NASDAQ kind of holding up there. I am currently not long nor short. And we'll see how she plays out. I think if we get back above this 40 level, we'll be looking for a push up there above the highs. But until then, it's really anyone's opportunity. A bounce off the VWAP Wouldn't be a terrible idea. Wouldn't be mad about that, you know. So. What level would I want to get short? I basically would not want to get short until we get below the VWAP, to be honest. So my VWAP settings are just like this. Very simple. Nothing changed. All there. This is the stock VWAP on TradingView. So pretty much all we got to do now is just wait. Wait for the market open here in about 30 seconds. 30 seconds for market open. And we'll see how she plays. Obviously right now, not looking to I think if we start to just go straight up here, we want to kind of, we don't want any weakness here at open. You know, any weakness, the bears are going to jump in and slam this thing down. So 15 seconds. If you haven't already hit that like button, help me out. Woo. All right, we're dipping. Kind of what we were afraid of happening. But holding up there right now at the 20s. See if we're going to rip up here. Up there through the 30s already. See if we can get this push all the way up here through the 40s right there. It's going to lock it in for 4,000. I like that little bounce back there. And up there through the 40s now. Now the question is, do we run the highs straight up here through the 40s there? Both the ES, the NASDAQ, pushing here nicely. See if we go right through the 60s there next. Got the high from earlier up there at the 70s. So be looking for a push straight through the 60s here. Looking for this to go straight through 60s right here. Get me filled at 60s. I don't want this coming back below 50s here. Watching this 50 level. Like right here. A little trappy looking. Stop. Let's go stop at the 40s here. Let's move our target up here as well. We got above that 40 level. A little bit of a chase there. Watching it right here now. If we can pop back above the 50s quickly. Having trouble there. Might get stopped out here. Made 4,000. And then we're going to give back a little bit here if we get stopped. And stopped for now. We pushed right up there to the high. Definitely a little bit of a chase there. And then chopped it back down. See what happens here at the 14 EMA now. Back to the 30s here now. Holding up there at the 14 EMA for now, but a lot of selling pressure came in there. The ES still kind of holding up 85s. You can see the ES right now trying to hold up here a little bit better than the NASDAQ. As long as the NASDAQ can kind of hold this 14 EMA level, I think we can run for those highs again. Trapping those longs up there for now. Now the question is, do we hold? The ES still kind of hold up here a little bit better, 15-minute chart. NASDAQ holding here. Straight back up. Right now, just kind of holding up here at the NASDAQ. Holding that 14 EMA beautifully. See if we get back above the 40s. Got the highs so far from earlier with that move, 70s. So the longer that we consolidate here, the better the chance that we squeeze through those highs. Still got the VWAP down there at 89s. 89 VWAP. Need to see some commitment from the buyers here. Just not enough commitment. Trouble here at the 30s again. Little commitment issues here. Still trying to hold up 14 EMA. $186 contracts sitting on the book map. That would be significant. You can see the ES is kind of just holding up here. NASDAQ looking a little bit weaker. Let's see which one's going to make the move down here. Dollar kind of double bottom for now. And down there to that 900 level. The bulls definitely want to get that bounce off the VWAP here coming up at the 891s. Let's see where this candle closes at. Still got a lot of time here. Market just opened up. No rush. The ES just dumped down the 80s again. So the ES making that move down. The NASDAQ pull it back here as well. Oof. The chop is real. Back up above the 20s just like that. They did not. I don't think is there any numbers coming out here today? I didn't even look. All I saw was I think that's all the numbers for today. Or is there more numbers at 10 o'clock? I guess there's a number at 9:40 at 10 o'clock. The ES and NASDAQ popping back up here again. Will they run the highs? Bond auction as well. What time's the bond auction at? Those bond auctions have been very volatile lately. 11:30. 11:30 bond auctions. So if you're trading around 11:30 today, be careful. Those bond auctions have been very volatile lately. And the NASDAQ, once again, squeezing up. The ES squeeze it up here. Back above the 14 EMA one more time. The ES going straight up. The NASDAQ also pushing straight up here. Back above the 40s, things get interesting, I think. NASDAQ, the ES, just stuck here for now. But the ES looks like it wants to make a new high. So will the NASDAQ follow? NASDAQ just chop it here at the 20s now. Back down again. Just basically chopping her out here. We got to be patient. Let this market do what it's going to do for now because it ain't doing what we want it to do. It's just chopping her out here. Can't make up its mind which way it wants to go. We're getting closer and closer to the VWAP, though. VWAP down there at the 92s, by the way. Market having trouble here. Probably going to touch that VWAP. If we lose that 15 area strong. Still just holding up there. Chop City at the 910s. VWAP down there. Will we get there? Bounce a little early off that 900 level again. And ripped it right back up here. Back up to the 14 EMA again. Just chop city right now. 14 EMA there at the 23s. We got to get out of this area here. Got to get above that 40 level. Obviously, if we're going to run that high there. So, the $1 million question, will we push through the 30s again on this bounce? Getting stuck there at the 14 EMA again. Back up, 32s. I think they blow through, they got to blow through 40s here. Take out these wicks of these candles, 38, and then try to run straight through there for the bulls. So, be looking to see if we go straight up here now. That 15-minute candle, not very convincing here at open. Now my charts are frozen. That 15-minute candle, just kind of a big doji right now. But we're kind of holding up there. Need to get through 30s. Dollar kind of chopping around here. The NASDAQ, the ES, just chopping here as well. Stuck there below the 30s. Not good. At this point, you're just waiting really for that 40 break. If you're trying to get long, I think. The ES kind of holding up right now. The ES looking a little bit better for this push. Look at the ES once again. The high on the ES is 94s. The ES right now here at the 88s. I think if the ES can get pushing through this high here at the 90s, then the NASDAQ starts to push. That VWAP looking tasty down there. VWAP at the 93s. We still have not got there yet. Still holding up there above the 900s, though. 14 EMA just acting as resistance, keeping us down right now, man. It's supposed to help us out here. Just trying to be patient here. Got some news at 10 o'clock, by the way. 10 o'clock news here. Market's basically just stuck at the open. And once again, pushing back up here. Just really need to get through that 38.40 level. A lot of people are saying we got to move down before moving up. Not a terrible idea. The ES once again pushing. The NASDAQ tried to push. But it's got to go, go, go. This could be another just denial right here. And another denial. Once again, denied at the 30s. So just can't get through that 15-minute candle. The opening range. Look like we moved down here again. Back to the 900s. Gotta love it. And right back down there. Market going nowhere here. Yee. So got numbers coming out here at 10 o'clock. VWAP down there, waiting to get touched, I guess. And there comes the VWAP. Will they bounce off the VWAP here? News coming out here in about 2 minutes. Straight down right now through the VWAP. Got about 30 seconds till the news drops. Will the news save us? News coming out here. 3, 2, 1. Holding up there at the VWAP for now, but not a very convincing bounce so far. Now we're just sitting there at the VWAP. This is that breakout level from earlier when those numbers came out as well here. So that 900 level. If we lose this, we got 61s down there to get to next. See if they're going to bounce VWAP or not. Nasdaq ripping back up off the VWAP right now. Gotta love that VWAP. This would be a really kind of bullish move back up. If we push back up here, 20s or so, but this chop has been ruthless. And right back to the VWAP again. Really hard to do anything right here. I feel like we're going to lose the VWAP and move down there to the 60s possibly, but it's not very convinced. Got this low down there at 860s, so take out that 860 level here next. Still just holding up there. There we go. Through the 90s now. I think we got to test this low down there. 61s or so. Looking good for this move down here. Down there to the 60s now. Just plummeting through here now. This should start to ramp up some selling pressure. Got like 40s, 50s down there. Oh, yeah. Right through the 50s there now. Looks like the bulls went to sleep here. All the way down there to the 40s. They ripped it back up there now. After taking out that low down there. We got below the VWAP. We just weren't bouncing off that VWAP there, so not a good sign. We needed more convincing bounce off that VWAP. You don't want to get stuck. You get stuck right there at that VWAP. Not a good sign there. So VWAP just not getting the bounce that we needed. And the NASDAQ back up there now. See if we get a pushback up 14 EMA area. There's that push right back up there now. 14 EMA. I'm going to try a short off this level here. Might get stopped out. Tight short on it. Or tight stop, I guess. Trying to risk like off this 90 level. We push right back up to that 14 EMA. Back to the VWAP again. And you're going to get stopped here. Sick. Stop there. Market just squeezed right back up there. Now it's going to come back down. The stream is not 5 minutes delayed. Someone said the stream's 5 minutes delayed. I don't think so. We push back up to the VWAP for now, getting stuck there at the VWAP. Now we see if the VWAP turns into resistance here, or if we flip the VWAP, get back above the 900s, do we start to push to the highs again? Pretty big bounce back up on the 15-minute chart.
Joseph says I'm in love. I'm fascinated by people that you can tell they're so passionate. They read the markets, they understand them so well, and they will never tell you here's what's going to happen or anything. They are always just dissecting what's happening, what is happening. John and I do it all the time. The show's about doing it. Ritz, man, I'm liking this. I never traded with you before. This is great.
Well, I hope we can trade again, you know, more than this. I mean,
man, we're done after this. You crushed it. If somebody does worse than me, then I bite it back. No, I'm joking. But after that, here's a partner farm.
That's rather than being like, wow, look, we're at the f***ing 80s and it might go to the f***ing 90s or it might go to the f***ing 70s. You know, like, what are you talking about? You know, that kind of trash.
I like how you brought your own little beef in.
I like to keep it clean. You know, there's no reason to swear at your audience every other word.
We are allowed to say the S word. We can say the S word. That's our little pact that we said to each other when we started. Now every now and then the F word gets in there, but it's by accident, and we don't, we know, like an unwritten rule that is also written.
Back up there above the VWAP again.
Yeah, you know, there's a wonderful woman who watches my streams, and she has her, I believe, 12-year-old son who's learning how to trade. And she said, you know, I love Rips your stream because you always keep it clean. I don't have to worry about you swearing like those other knuckleheads out there.
So I was long. Go ahead, Johnny.
Rip, so your short time frame trades, you're largely just kind of looking at order flow, right?
Yeah, order flow and areas of structure that make sense, and then
Billy C, will you shut the fuck up? The stream is not delayed. Dude, fucking refresh your page. What is he talking about? God. What is he on about right now? Your stream is very delayed. What is he talking about? Dude. Insane.
now we're going to go long here. Now we're going to flip it up to the top side because they're going to firm up 10 handles higher, and then I'm going to flip it up to them.
We look at how many times you float accounts. We look at all that, but then we do it in a way that our guys know risk management, and they have kind of like this real passion for finding the talent. It's really no different than being a major league scout, and you're going down to kick-ass talent that they're just playing park ball and all that kind of stuff. So that's the really exciting part about you getting called up. Is that means a lot it should mean a lot to your entire community and a lot of people out there, because there's thousands and thousands of people trading on Topstep. And I think we only have about 100 or 200 or 300 live funded traders. We have thousands of XFX, thousands, and we have much more thousands in the trading combine. But the best of the best, the 1% are at that live level, and you made it. So kudos to you, my friend.
I appreciate that so much. And yeah, it says a lot, and it's validation that you're looking for as a trader sometimes too, where, you know, even if you have, like I had my stats, 17 days that were winning days out of 18 trading days before I got called up, even having those types of stats, sometimes it's nice.
Market back above the VWAP here, turning the VWAP into support now.
Knowing that you're actually doing something right here.
And we're going
yourself will be able to pick a team, whether you're a partner of ours or a live trader, and you want to be a team captain. There's going to be a performance bonus if your team
Look at this thing ripping right now.
individual, if your team wins the World Cup. We're looking at what that looks like, the amount of money.
The B was a trend line break there.
When you're Tom Brady, you probably put that into your contract. We're looking at that kind of stuff because we really believe that working together like this right now and training together is pretty cool. So we're looking to put that together. But the point of the story is once you make a live trader and you as a influencer or a leader in the futures trading space, we want to partner up with you guys. Hey, you guys want to create a team, and we're gonna talk about that team here on Topstep TV, Think ESPN, Think TTL, NFL. We're gonna talk about the players in the league, and then the head coaches of the league. Rip's head coaching five other traders. And
Oh my God.
He likes them because of this, and this. And this kind of stuff to me is what I'm gonna put the investment in Topstep and to create this community even tighter. And then we went and looked at an esports arena down in Vegas because these esports arenas are starting to pop up. We're like, why can't Topstep or why can't a trading T League, or T Sports or whatever follow into these types of arenas? And then we go
The rip off the dip there.
becomes like the trading pit of brothers in arms, so to speak, but it's rivalries. So that's the whole big spiel that's going on, and hopefully someday here very soon we have a team.
Yeah, I mean, that sounds amazing too. And it's a lot of people don't realize, but trading is so much more than people understand. That it's psychology based, right? Trading is so psychology based. It's easy to find setups. It's easy to push buttons. But at the end of the day, you really want to be focused on psychology. When you're talking about trading leagues like this, it's so important to recognize the.
Look at the ES. The ES is literally going for kind of a new high right now.
See what else out there is possible. We need to stop that narrative of that you should be YOLOing in 15 contracts at a time and just trying to just blow these accounts until you get one lucky hit. We got to stop that narrative, and we got to move towards this being consistently profitable narrative.
It's an evolution of the funding industry. I started it back in 2009. It did not exist. I'm very passionate about this space. And there's been a change in style of traders that have come into it. You have a little bit more YOLOers. Those will filter out when they find out all you're doing is gambling. You're not learning shit. So
Yeah.
that's an evolution that I think is going to be starting to happen, especially as some of these marketing companies that I like to call them start to filter out and come in here and offer like a little bad habit or selling FOMO or extrapolation policy stuff. I am passionate about building a stronger community that helps people on all the things.
Up to that 30 level again. Denied at the 32s once again. That 32 area there, we got to get through there.
Stuff that you should be, as a newbie, harder newbies to do, but intermediate or whatever. Somebody's in this for a couple years to hang on every word of that and just like take notes and try to understand it. And then it just becomes the most kick-ass community of people if we're all doing that.
Absolutely. And just to touch on those other guys, those other funding companies with those ridiculous rules, maybe those ones that have the trailing drawdowns that are mid-position where it forces you to be a gambler. I took a 5-figure payout from them, and I never used their accounts ever again because it's not real trading. Topstep is the closest you'll ever get to trading your own real money. And I can speak from having a long career in trading futures with my own real money. It's the closest thing you'll get to trading your own real money. And if you don't like the drawdown rule, you don't like the maximum daily loss rule, you got to understand that Topstep is putting that in place to help you out. Because if you don't have that, I didn't have that when I was trading. And if I would have had a maximum daily loss limit, I guarantee you I would have not had such massive losing days. It's there to help you as a trader. It's there to tell you, hey, pump the brakes. You're not going to blow your account yet. You still get another day to trade tomorrow, but you're going to be able to pump the brakes, relax, recover.
Kind of seeing what happens here. Do we start to set up for a bullish breakout here?
I do like earn a trade. I like trade day. I like those two. I really like those folks over there, and I can talk to those guys. There's ones that I don't like. I don't like Lilo. I don't like Apex. Those are the two ones. They're gamey. They sell raffle tickets, so to speak.
Raffle tickets, I like that.
Yeah, and you can't go live with real. You can't go live with 20 accounts. It's just like you can't. Like that's not real trading. And then so I'm not going on those rants. I do it way too much, but I do like trade day.
I don't blame you though. I go on the same rants in my live stream. I have the same passion as you.
You're passionate about it. Like trade day is cool. Earn a trade like
We go to the bathroom. Wait for this market to do something here. And back to the VWAP. God. This is painful. I went to the bathroom, I came back, and it's back to the fucking VWAP. And right back from the 32s, right below the VWAP again. We should push back up here and at least test that VWAP one more time there. I just don't. I hate when the market's just fucking chopping around the VWAP there. So. Got denied there at the VWAP again. If we close below this VWAP, we should sell down and take out that low down there. That 15-minute candle not looking hot there. And now the 15-minute opening range basically holding us down there. See if we're going to flip the VWAP here again and rip back up here, that 900 level. That 15-minute opening range there. We got the 14 EMA there at 97. We should try to test that one more time here. Back up there to the 98s like we were thinking. That 15-minute opening range, will it act as resistance here? And once again, flipping the VWAP here. Back up with the VWAP. We just keep consolidating here. Let's see what happens here at the VWAP now if we're going to hold VWAP support. If we can hold VWAP support, might be a long bounce here through those highs, but right now just can't hold there. So if you guys haven't hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. Help me out. That 930 area up there. We get through 930s, we definitely take out the highs there. So not sure I'd want to be short right here. We're pushing now off the VWAP here. We just got to go, go, go. Need some actual momentum to get through here. Looking at the 2-minute chart right now, you can see we're getting tighter and tighter, kind of wedging right here, and looking for possible kind of breakout through this upside move. The 15-minute opening range still not tested. We're back into the 15-minute opening range there, and we'll be looking to see if we get through here at the 25s. The ES as well, very much looking very similar. The ES got to get through this 92s, 88s, and the 92s there. But the NASDAQ just hitting that trend line there. On the 15-minute chart, looking a little bit different. $920 area. Just got to get through there. 15-minute chart, kind of lower highs, lower highs. Look at 7 minutes here on this 15-minute candle, but right now, just not very convincing for this push up. And right back down, just chopping there. How much do I spend on diesel and maintenance? I don't really know. What does that even mean? And back off the VWAP here, chop again. What pickup truck do you have? I have a Ford Raptor, I got a Ford F-250, and then I got a little Bronco, Ford Bronco. These 15-minute candles, not looking too hot. Everybody just selling basically up here, taking profit at this 900 level, so... That VWAP right now, just a magnet to the price action. it's not really going anywhere. So this is what we do. Sometimes the market decides it wants to go straight up, and sometimes the market decides it wants to go nowhere. So right now, the ES, the NASDAQ, both going sideways here. It's almost 11 o'clock. If we don't get something happening here sooner than later, I'm probably going to just go ahead and walk away. Look at the 15-minute chart. I mean, it's not looking very hot right now. If we can somehow get through this kind of trend that we're in, we got that 15-minute opening range, the high there up at the 60s, that high from earlier all the way up there, 70.25 to the upside there. So just stuck here at the VWAP today. Can't get away from the VWAP. Going nowhere fast. Pat, do you ever trade after the market closed? Sometimes, yeah. I put a trade on last night. I thought there was an opportunity for a pushback up here today, and that's what we got. Yeah, I think today is a day to walk away. It's Christmas is coming up here. So we got some numbers tomorrow morning, Friday. I don't know if I'll be live tomorrow morning or not. If not, I'll see you guys next week. But so yeah, market just stuck here at the 90s, at the VWAP, not going anywhere. Good time to walk away, take the profit, and run, baby. So I'm gonna walk away, go grab some lunch, and hopefully everybody watching has a great have the great holidays, great Christmas, New Year's, all that fun stuff. There's the market now making a move to the downside, and I think we walked away kind of at the right time here. And yeah, I'll see you guys next week. Inner Circle Trader Michael stopping by as well. Great. Gotta love it. All right, I'll see you guys next week. Peace to the Middle East if I don't talk to you before then. All right, all right, all right.